Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your caller ID on your iPhones and iOS devices. It's actually really easy to do. It's just a setting within your settings that you have to change and untoggle, and then you'll be able to be a private caller when you call people's phone numbers. Anyhow, just stay tuned. I'll show you guys how to do it. All you have to do is go down to your settings application, wherever it is on your phone, click on settings, and then you'll be on your full settings screen. You want to scroll all the way down until you see the phone tab. Once you see the phone tab, you want to go ahead and click on that. And then when you scroll down on the phone tab, you'll see an option for show my caller ID. And all you want to do is just click on that. And then right here, you'll see the option to untoggle the show my caller ID. Once it's green, that means that it will show your phone number. Once it's gray, it means it'll take your phone number away and make you like a private caller when you're calling someone. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to turn off your caller ID and hide your caller ID on your iPhones and iOS devices. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.